Ramsey-Washington Metro Watershed District has a long-standing tradition of engaging youth in the restoration projects we have been implementing for nearly 20 years. Our latest project will restore about 1,000 linear feet of shoreline and roughly 3/4 of an acre of land. Over 300 students from 12 classrooms in 5 East Metro schools were invited to participate in this large-scale wetland buffer planting project this year. This project with Ramsey County Parks and Recreation in the Snail Lake Regional Park in Shoreview will create a more resilient wetland buffer in an area that has been inundated by flooding over the past years and challenged by encroaching invasive species such as reed canary grass, buckthorn, and other non-native plants and trees. We are planting a diversity of native wildflowers and grasses that are more adapted to the fluctuations in the water level and provide better habitat for birds, insects, fish, and amphibians. Teaming up with us are Ramsey County Master Gardeners and Master Naturalists who really enjoy helping students learn skills in some pretty challenging park conditions. A win-win for us is that many of the kids told us they live nearby and often visit the park. We enhanced the restoration experience with birding tours led by Saint Paul Audubon volunteers who taught the classes how to use binoculars and explore the edges of the wetland. This was a big hit. There were many sightings of egrets, woodpeckers, and migrating birds such as finches and redstarts, and even a close-up of a sandhill crane. Be sure to come by and visit this beautiful park and see its transformations over the next couple years. We'll be back next year to continue planting along the shoreline.